Let's start by opening an image. Anyone will do, it doesn't matter. I want to introduce you to a dear old friend of mine in Adobe Photoshop. Been there a very long time. This friend allows me to zoom in and out of an image. It allows me to locate areas within an image and then actually move and go to those areas. My friend is the panel called Navigator. Been there for a long time. Now, it is missing from the Essentials workspace that we're in. So I have, I guess, two choices here. I can go up to the word window on the pull-down menu, and I can go down to Navigator right there. Or let's mix it up a bit. Let's do something different. Let's change our workspace to a workspace that's default but has Navigator. And that would be under Essentials, go to Painting. It'll be there. And there it is. So we're looking at a smaller version of the nice big one over on the left, and it's kind of like, why do I need something like this? Because, I can't work over there. Well, it's for navigation. Number one, without using a zoom tool or a hand tool, we can come here to this number. It says 20.93. Select that number. Type in something else, like say 40. Now to set it, press the return key on a Mac and the enter key in Windows, and boom, we're at 40%. Here's a trick. Select it again. Use your up and down arrow keys to go up 1 percentage point at a time, or the down arrow key, up or down, doesn't matter, to go up or down. Now to set it, press the return key again on a Mac or the enter key in Windows. You will notice over here, we have a little tiny mountain and a really big mountain. And if I press the little tiny mountain, I go down. If I press the big one, I go up, or I can scrub right here. Now at any time we get the image over here larger than the window that holds it, we see a red rectangular box appear right here. That's the viewable area. I can click inside there and move it around. But that's not all. Here's another trick for you. Hold down the Control key, and that's Control in Windows, Command on a Mac, and come up here and click and drag. Now when you do, basically what it does, it zooms in and takes you directly to that spot. Now there is one more thing here. If you go to the options for this tool, it's right up here. Click this button. Go into Panel Options. You only have one, changing the color of that rectangle. You say, why? Well, what if we were working on, say, a red flower? It would be difficult to see that particular area, so you could change that to a different color. We'll leave it at light red, but you can change that if you want to. Changes made here impact Navigator from that point forward. Go ahead and click OK, or in my case, cancel. The Navigator panel has been there almost since the beginning, and it does serve a purpose. It allows me to navigate, zoom, and move without selecting the zoom or the hand tools, which frees me up to do something else.